The South African Football Association have responded to reports claiming that the Bafana players have not been paid for their bonuses. Bafana secured a third place to finish at the recent Africa Cup of Nations, reaching the Final Four for the first time since the year 2000. The SAFA have confirmed that the bonuses will be paid out when the CAF pays out the prize money for the tournament. It released a statement and said the South African Football Association has noted with concern reports claiming that Bafana may not be paid their bonuses after finishing third at the recent Africa Cup of Nations in Côte d'Ivoire. We wish to confirm that a contract was signed between the association and the senior players representing the team, where the payments and bonuses were agreed upon, depending on the team's performance in the tournament, details of which remain confidential. This agreement was confirmed before the team departed for AFCON, and all the parties were happy. We further highlight that the payment and bonuses as agreed with the players will be paid when the prize monies are received from the confederations of African football. The remaining funds will be utilized in the further development of football. As previously stated, our junior national teams are not sponsored and rely heavily on the senior national teams for funding to help with access to more preparation camps and competitive fixtures. The funds are not intended for members of the National Executive Committee of the Association or any SAFA staff. We as SAFA account to the Confederation of African Football for the money that is awarded by the continental body. The SAFA CFO will be responsible for effecting payments to the players' bank accounts on receipt of funds from CAF. The SAFA CEO, who is the accounting officer of the association, will ensure and confirm that the payment is made to the players as agreed upon. Both the CEO and CFO will account to CAF on the use of the funds received. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.